Hello everyone, it's EsongTV here, and it's been around a year since my last upload. I sincerely apologize for that, and I'll try to upload more consistently from now on. Just for your information, this product was built following the Cigar Box Synths guide on Instructables, as I cannot build my own circuit diagram yet, or I have a concrete understanding of how every component works together. And anyways, this is a showcase of my product and I hope you enjoy. This is a photo of the circuit diagram, and you're probably thinking it's too complicated. You can work on it step by step, take your time, and I'm sure anyone can build this assuming that you're familiar with soldering and you know the basics of reading a circuit diagram. In this project, I just chose to use a PCB board before prototyping with a breadboard in order to save time and effort, although there were some risks. In the next few photos, you'll be able to see my progress in building this product. Okay, so now for the test.
다 고음으로 올려주세요.
So now that I knew that all the technical components worked, I had to find the housing for this product. Then I came across this one, which had an outstanding design for its price. Surprisingly, the dimensions and the materials of this box was perfect. After stuffing all the components inside, this was how it looked like. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please consider to like or subscribe. All the links are in the description, and see you in the next video. Bye!